Have you ever wondered what is stopping you from getting callbacks from recruiters when you're looking for a job as a nanny? Well, in this mini-series, we're going to dive in and learn about all the things that you're doing without knowing and that are hindering you from getting that callback. So welcome to my mini-series. Today, my tip is all about your initial contact. So let's presume that you're a nanny looking for a job. You are looking on LinkedIn, or maybe you're looking in Facebook, or maybe you're just looking at a nanny agency's job site, or maybe you're even looking at a private service job board. There are quite a few of them out there. You see a job that you like and you click on it, and if it's an advert on LinkedIn or Facebook, you just like it or you write interested. If you're applying on a job board or a job board for an agency, you just upload your resume or your CV. And that's it. You're done. Well, that's not how it actually works. So if you're looking on LinkedIn, or if you are looking on Facebook and you see a job that you like and you're interested in it, take a little bit of time to write a nice message below, or read what the advert says and email the person who is advertising. Don't just write interested. Writing interested just turns people off. It means you're not really that interested because you haven't taken the time to actually write to that person. So you've already kind of annoyed the person who is advertising. If you are looking at a job board or an agency and you just upload your resume or your CV, that is also kind of a turnoff. And the reason for that is because you haven't actually presented yourself. So the person on the other end receives your CV and it might be brilliant, but what's going through their head is, well, I don't know why this person just sent me her CV or her resume or his CV. They're wondering, what position have you applied for? What is it that you're looking for, and how can they help you? But because many recruiters and agencies receive many resumes and CVs, they're not going to be able to answer everybody. So now you have put yourself in a position where the recruiter is actually not going to reach out to you because you haven't explained who you are. So my tip for today, and there will be more coming as I think this is important for job seekers. My tip for today is, if you see a position advertised that you like, make sure you read everything carefully, you present yourself in a professional way, and you then follow up if a few days have gone by and you haven't heard anything. I would love to hear your thoughts, and I would love for this to become an open conversation. So if you have any comments, or if you want to know more, please feel free to drop a message below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you'll know when the next episode comes out.
I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel